Whether it's the creation of renewable chemicals, air separation, or electrolyzers, every production process relies on process analyzers. They are essential for process plants and are designed for a long lifetime. But if analyzers malfunction, you risk losing critical data on product quality, emissions, and safety. Challenges such as unexpected device downtimes, inaccurate measurements, or potential issues with sample preparation could arise, resulting in critical maintenance needs. So how can reliable plant operation be ensured? SITRANS ASM IQ reads data from the instruments, sample preparation, shelter environment, and process information to detect any emerging issues that could put their operation at risk. In case of an anomaly, the software alerts the user and suggests a solution, giving technicians enough time to deal with an issue while the analyzer is still fully functional. Continuous monitoring by SITRANS ASM IQ improves measurement accuracy, helps to avoid unexpected downtime, supports supervision of the measurement environment, and increases maintenance efficiency. Moreover, it creates performance transparency. The SITRANS ASM IQ software supports every process analyzer on the market and is perfectly suited to optimize operability for any user of measurement devices. It comes with a modern and intuitive user interface, powerful data analysis software tailored for process analyzers, insightful performance reports, and it's compatible with every analyzer. Plus, it's a reliable and cyber-secure IT solution. With SITRANS ASM IQ, plant operators in every industry can increase their output, minimize costs, and most importantly, produce more sustainably. In the field of process analyzers, SITRANS ASM IQ contributes towards successful and sustainable production in the future. Enter a new digital era of operation and maintenance of process analytics with SITRANS ASM IQ. Visit our website for more information.